So you're here because you want to download Reels without the watermark and keep the sound playing. I'm sure you also want to do this so you can share your Reels on more than one platform or download the Reels of other users. Let's look at the best websites for downloading Reels videos so you don't have to record your screen. Number 1. Reelit, the best free Instagram Reels download app. Reelit is one of the best online Reel downloader tools on the internet. You can quickly download Instagram Reels with a click push of a button. The website is quick and easy to use, with no sign-up required. Reelit has a simple interface that anyone can use without any issues. All you need to do is enter the Reel link of the Reel video you wish to download, and it will be downloaded in seconds. They also include a mobile app for Google Play Store and Apple users. You can also download Instagram posts, IG stories, and more. Pros: easily save your short video Reels, completely free. A variety of different IG tools. Cons: you need to be careful about copyright issues. Video quality isn't as good as the original content. Number 2. Repurpose.io, best paid Instagram repurposing tool. Repurpose.io is the ultimate way to save an Instagram Reel video and have it shared on other social media platforms. Never again will you have to worry about forgetting to post your Reel to other platforms. This website is a paid tool, but it does come with a free trial so you can test out the features. This is great when you are looking to make money online and grow your audience. It's one of the pricier options on this list, but if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, Repurpose is perfect for you. Pros: save videos and repurpose to every social media platform. Offers a free trial. Easily linked to all of your social accounts. Cons: it can be pricey for most free, especially if you are looking at free options. Has a small learning curve, but very easy video tutorials. Number 3. IG Downloader, best runner-up free online Reel downloader website. IG Downloader is another way to download Instagram Reels without the watermark and sound removed. You save your own Reels or on other accounts and share them on different social media platforms. All you need to do is enter the Instagram Reels link you want to download from Instagram. You can also download the videos on your Android phone, Apple iPhone, PC, and Google Chrome. It works great as a third-party app. Pros: save photos, Reels, and stories. Completely free to use. Download in different formats. Cons: also provides lower quality downloads. You need to be careful with copyright issues. Number 4. iGram. iGram is another Instagram Reels downloader tool which is available as both a website and app. The iGram website is very user-friendly and offers a great experience. You can download Instagram Reel videos in just a few clicks. It's also one of the fastest ways to download Instagram Reel videos for free. You can save them instantly to your Photos app or gallery. How to use iGram Reels Downloader. Open Instagram on your phone or desktop and click on Copy Link. Paste the link inside of iGram and click on the Download button. You can save the video in different formats for repurposing. Pros: very easy to download IG videos. Clean, modern website design. Cons: many ad placements. A little slower than the other recommended IG tools. Is downloading Instagram Reels illegally? If you download Instagram Reels content from your own profile, then no, it's not illegal. You can easily download your Instagram Reels content when you tap Save Video, but it will remove the sound for copyright purposes. You also need to be careful of the original audio or you might get a copyright strike. If you're downloading other people's content without their permission, then it might be considered illegal in some cases, so make sure to ask the original owner for permission before you download or use any of their content. What is a video downloader for Instagram? An Instagram downloader is a website that lets you save Reels of videos without taking a screenshot or putting a watermark on them. It's a simple way to start saving your Instagram photos to your phone's gallery or photo app. We hope this post on how to download Instagram Reels was helpful. Make sure to take advantage of these online tools and start downloading Reel videos without the watermark or sound. Also, you should ask the original owner for permission before you download or use any of their content. And if you do save their Instagram Reels, make sure to tag them and give them credit. You don't want them to contact you because you forgot to tag or shout them out. Have you ever tried any of these ways? Do you know of any other ways that we didn't talk about? Feel free to leave a comment.